people, welcome back to Artist Idiot. My name is Sakshi and it's Diwali season coming soon. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys 3 easy Diwali decoration ideas. So let's get started with the video now. For the first DIY, take a rectangular piece of sunboard and get it colored. Then take 2 small pieces of sunboard and then just stick it on the previous one. This is how your first DIY looks like. It is a candle holder and it looks really very pretty. You should surely try making it for this Diwali. For the second DIY, you need a glitter foam and get it cut in a circular shape. After you're done with cutting, take some of the kundans like so. Now take a diya and stick it on the glitter foam. Now just stick the kundans on the glitter foam like so. After you are done with sticking the kundans, take a bowl and just add some water in it. After that, add some coals in the water and then just keep your diya on it. This is how your floating diya looks like. It looks very beautiful. For the next DIY, take a cardboard, cut it like this and using Fevicol, stick a decorative lace on it. Done with sticking the lace on cardboard, place the diya in the middle of the cardboard and this makes the diya look very amazing. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.